In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark emails as read and unread in Gmail. Managing your email inbox effectively is crucial for staying organized and ensuring that important messages don't get lost or overlooked. Whether you're clearing unread notifications or revisiting messages you'd like to look at later, understanding how to mark emails as read or unread is a valuable skill. Let's walk through the process step by step. Let's start with marking a single email as read. This is particularly useful when you receive an email that doesn't require a response, yet you want to eliminate its unread notification. So to do this first, hover over the email you'd like to mark. When you do this, you'll notice a small checkbox appears to the left. Check that box to select the email. Once that's done, look toward the top toolbar where you'll find several icons. Among these icons, find the one that resembles an open envelope. This is the Mark as Read icon. Simply click on this icon, and the email will change from unread to read, removing its bolded text look. Now let's reverse this action and mark an email as unread. This is handy when you want to revisit an email later and want it to stand out in your inbox. Again, hover over the desired email to reveal the checkbox, and simply click it to select the email. Now, return to that top toolbar we mentioned earlier. This time, you're looking for an icon that resembles an envelope with a dot on it. That's your Mark as Unread icon. By clicking it, the email will once again appear in bold, signaling that it is unread and drawing your attention to look at it again later. There are times when you may want to mark multiple emails as read. This can save a lot of time if, for example, you've been away and want to quickly organize your mail. Start by checking the box next to each email you'd like to mark, or if you want to select all the emails on your current page, click the Select All box at the top of your inbox. After making your selections, go back to the top toolbar and click that familiar open envelope icon, which marks all selected emails as read. This method is great for quickly cleaning up a cluttered inbox and ensuring you focus only on new or important messages. By following these steps, you can take charge of your Gmail inbox, making it a tool that works for you rather than just a collection of messages. This simple capability can enhance your email management and ensure you never miss what's important. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps keep your inbox organized and efficient.